Hi, now I show to you how to make a best floating paper plane in the world. So now you need any kind of bond paper. So are you ready? So to make it now, you need a fold like this. You need a fold. Okay. Fold into another direction. Another direction. Hmm. To point into the another direction. You need a very nicely fold. Left fold, then unfold. So now you need to fold like this. This point and this point. Point here. Fold it and fold here and fold it. So you need a very nice fold. So in here point, you need to have point here, here. Okay. Now show you. You need to fold like this. Fold, fold it, and unfold. So now, have you finished it? You need to get unfold like this. You need your direction is in here. Here point, in this point, point in here. Here. So you need to fold like this. You need to get this. You need to fold like this to make the whole this and fold it. And here, make sure you fold it like this and fold it. So I'm finishing. And now you need to fold. You need to fold in back and another direction. Into front, in the front, and you need to fold it like this. Fold it. And in here, to point and point in here. So it's a point to point like this. Then you need it pencil to roll in here. Now need a pencil, pencil. Okay. Now you make in here the pencil and you draw it, twist it very slowly, and have it finish it. And to the left, the left, It's twisted. Twisted. Then now, now we'll make this. Now show to you the last step, and this point is going to direction in here, to point here, into the middle line. So fold it into the line and make it a nicely fold. Then you make it folded and fold and to the another direction. So now we finish it. So now I'm trying to get flies. So this is my favorite plant, and now we show to you. Time to flying. There, Batman. So have you seen it? So I'm sorry, but the webcam is a computer, so I have don't know camera. So try it into your house and make it nicely. Hmm. This is my nice pool and very nice people playing. Soon, soon. So bye bye.